What is up? First off, I want to say thank you so much to each and every one of you who have subscribed and been with me through this journey that we've all been going on. Ever since I started posting weekly, I feel that a lot has improved in regards to, just overall sharing more of myself in regards to work and overall with you all, and helping out all of you new people who are discovering my channel. Maybe you found me from Instagram, maybe you just found me from YouTube, maybe you found me from my website. But anyhow, in this video I want to do a little recap of 2017 for me, and this video is in no particular order, and I'm just going to go through seven things, and I'm just going to talk about how they impacted me and just the benefits that I've seen from them. Now we're going to try to stay on topic. So, recap of 2017. First one is I started posting weekly to YouTube. Just looking back at my history of the videos when I would post them, I would just post them whenever, sorry for hitting the tripod. I would just post them whenever I felt like it. And there's really no set time or a set schedule. And I really wouldn't put much into my videos. It would just be like a speed art video of me doing calligraphy or brush lettering. And posting weekly and, varying the content and really helping people. Let me straighten this up. And really helping people that are getting into calligraphy has been very, very fun for me. And sharing my artwork with you all. So for the second one, I sold my first shirts. This was a big thing for me for 2017. Hold up, This was a big thing for me because I, for one, I did not have the knowledge on how to go about selling merchandise the proper way, and it was very big for me to be selling some t-shirts and prints for 2017 I sold my first shirts. That was very big for me. It's just like, once you do such a thing without anybody telling you what to do, it's amazing. And you just have this sense of accomplishment, as if I did this myself and I did it on my own, and I love that feeling. So for number 3, I got an iPad Pro. When I got an iPad Pro, I'd say around March, I believe, or May, in between that time frame. At first, when I got an iPad Pro, I was a little skeptical of it, thinking, I don't know if it's going to be very beneficial to me. I don't know if I'm going to be using it as much, but you know what? I use it every single day, even if I don't even try to. And just, it's a useful tool to have. Alright, so number 4, I improved my flourishes. I, for one, feel that I improved my foot. It is getting so hot in here. Hold on, let me cut the fan on. Hopefully it doesn't affect the audio, but I don't want to start sweating while I'm filming this recap video. Alright, so once again, number 4, I improved my flourishes. I was looking on Instagram at a piece that I did this year in January, and oh my god, my flourishes they were just all over the place. And they were all over the place for the reason is I did not have the knowledge or the know-how, and I just wasn't I didn't do the correct studying, or I don't say correct studying. I did not know how to go about studying flourishes. I'll just put it that way. So number 5, more confidence with my design and calligraphy work. As creatives, we deal with constantly doubting ourselves and doubting our work. Once you doubt yourself, you just start questioning, is my work good enough? Are people actually going to care about it? And you know what? I started saying to myself, you know, you've been doing calligraphy for so long and you went to school for graphic design. What is the reason you are doubting your work? What is the reason why you're doubting your calligraphy? And there's really no need for you to be doing such a thing. It's not as if what you're putting out is terrible, and it's not as if you haven't gotten better. Alright, so number 6, I made some new friends. I made new friends with each and every one of you. All of you wonderful people who have subscribed to my channel, I appreciate it. All the people from the Facebook, I appreciate you as well. And especially people from, I'm not even going to single out one social media. Everybody, I really appreciate each and every one of you. People that I've engaged with, it's just so much fun. Because for me, if you did, like if you're watching this right now and you were to DM me, I'm most likely going to reply back. And it's such a wonderful thing. I just love the engagement. I love being able to help someone that is struggling with something in regards to calligraphy or just want to talk creative. Alright. So number 7, and this is the final one. I invested more in myself. You know, this is one major thing I feel that has helped me a lot. And once I started taking this a lot more seriously, investing in yourself helps tremendously. Okay, let's, for example, let me grab some tools. It's just going to be a quick example. Alright, so the type of person that, and this is just my example, the type of person that is going to purchase a Crayola marker is going to be different compared to the type of person that purchases an actual brush pen. Because this marker, I believe, was around like $4.50, and these markers, you can buy a whole pack for that. So it's just the differences, and this is what I mean about investing more in myself, and especially believing that investing in myself is going to pay off. So for 2018, stop being afraid to invest in yourself and whatever it is that you're doing. If you just came across this video, don't hesitate to invest in yourself. Don't hesitate to invest in your dream. I'm saying that's so stereotypical, but you know, once you start doing that, you'll enjoy the journey a lot more. Alright, thank you so much to each and every one of you for subscribing. Thank you to those of you who have just joined along. I really appreciate it. And also thank you to each and every one of you for the recommendations on videos, because I'm going to continue posting weekly. And let me know if you've been enjoying the Flyby Friday, where I just do a recap of a piece that I've done recently. Alright, catch you next time, and here's the 2018. I shall see you all through the journey of 2018. Have a good one.
Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget there's more info in the description box below.